What if our understanding of physics is challenged by the universe itself? Enter the Flyby Anomaly, a mystery defying expectations. Space missions like Galileo and Juno encountered unexplained speed boosts. These anomalies challenge our grasp of gravity and motion. Scientists worldwide are on a quest for answers. Could dark matter or new physics explain the anomaly? The pursuit of knowledge drives us to the unknown. Every anomaly brings us closer to the universe's secrets. The Flyby Anomaly, a door to new realms of physics. Join us in unraveling the mysteries of space.